Hi guys, welcome back to Subhash English channel. Today our topic how to manage time. So my dear guys, if you want to manage your time, so you need to make a list. You need to do to list, and if you make a daily plan, if you want to manage your time, so you need to make a plan. You write and daily answer what do you do, what want to do in a holiday. If you know about and these things, what will I do on a holiday, then you can do manage your time. But if you don't know what did I do today, so you cannot and manage your time. First of all thing, if you want to manage your time, so you need to just understand what will I do today now. If you know very well these things, then you can manage your time. If you want to manage your time, so you need to write an everyday plan. If you write and daily plan, then you can manage your time. But if you don't write daily plan, so you cannot manage time. Don't open notification. Please turn off your notification. Don't and waste your time. You need to work your and goal. If you have big vision, then you can manage your time. But if you don't have big vision, then you cannot manage your time. First of all thing, if you want to manage your time, so you need to just work on your career. You need to just work according to your vision. If you do work and according to your vision, then you can manage your time. Thanks for watching my video guys.